guys, and welcome back to Pumpkin's World. And in today's video, we'll be opening dun 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 blind bags. So these are blind bags. I made them myself. So basically, you can see that it's handmade by you can see the tape and all that. So I just take them together and they became like that. And they're pretty good little purple spots on the back and shows where to cut it. A line over here. And they're called Cookie Monster because it's supposed to be like a little animal and shaped as a cookie. So interesting, right? Yeah, okay. So yeah, I made them as identical as possible, but it didn't really work out. As you can see, the little purple line over here, it didn't become the same. It didn't became the same over here. So yeah, but it's still really cute. I really like it. So I got my scissors over here, and I'll be opening that for you guys. First, let's have a look. Cookie Mouse, and this over here, and a bunch of this dots, purple dots. But anyways, let's cut it. Let's see what's inside of this. Okay, so this is how it looks in the inside. Okay, let's dump it out. So we got like checklist, I guess, and it came with a little surprise cookie ball itself. So let's open this or this first. I'm gonna open this first. Okay, let's open it up. I'll do that. Oh, so we got a little bunny. It's supposed to be squishy, guys. So it is a, let's see, we'll check. So it has a cute little sticker. That's really cute. So we got, congrats, you got Melissa the bunny, and it's supposed to be a Oreo cookie, and it has little like heart shaped eyes, a little bunny ears, and it's not really that squishy. It is kind of my first time doing like really flat squishies, and you can't see what's inside of it. So, but I tried my best to make it really cute. It is cute, but it's not like so slow rising. But it is really cool feet and a little belly button, little hands, cheeks, so rosy cheeks, or nose, and I think it's pretty cute, but it's not really slow rising. So we got a little bunny, Melissa, the bunny. Okay, I'm really happy with how it comes out. So let's put this over here, and let's open up the second one, cookie balls. I'm really excited to open this one, guys. Okay, cut here. Alright, so this is how it looks in the inside. Let's dab it out. Oh, look, this one has a little feather on it. Okay, so this one the spots are pink, whereas on this one the spots were black. Okay, let's open this up. So we got a little doggy. Little tail, little floppy ears, little feet, paws, and little belly button over here, little paws over here, sticking its little tongue out, looking at you. So here it is. I think it's pretty cute. I tried my best again because it's not as slow rising, it's squishy, but it's pretty cute. So let's see what is its name. Congrats, you got Danny the dog, and it is a chocolate chip. So it is a cookie. Basically, it's supposed to be a chocolate cookie. That's very cute. I think it's like very cute because like they are basically little animals shaped and supposed to taste like chocolate, but you know I can't eat them. I can't eat them because you know they are shaped like they are paper. So I'm really happy how I made them. Really cute. And yeah. Look at that dog face. Okay guys, so here they are. Really cute little bunny over here, Oreo, and little chocolate Danny the dog. And I really like how they turn out. And I'm so happy that I can like make this video with you guys. But anyways, here they are, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye! Yippee!